ET Brand Equity brings to you top stories of this week. The advertisement released by jewelry brand Tanishq last week that spoke about interfaith baby shower stirred a controversy over social media that finally resulted in the company pulling down the ad. The brand was trolled with several hashtags including #BoycottTanishq and was accused of promoting love jihad. However, the Advertising Standards Council of India released a statement clearing the commercial of any advertising code violations after putting it through an independent multi-stakeholder panel, that is the Consumer Complaints Council, which balances viewpoints from industry, civil society, lawyers, consumer activists as well as domain experts. In the Martech Asia 2020 summit conducted by etbrandequity.com, the godfather of Martech, Scott Brinker, shared the 5 trends that marketing will see in the coming decade. No-code citizen creators, platforms, networks and marketplaces, the great app explosion, transition from big data to big ops, and harmonizing human and machine are the trends that he spoke about. According to Brinker, the decade ahead is a golden age for marketing and Martech, and when one steps back to look at it, he can really think of it as the age of the augmented marketer. The path to building a successful Martech stack can be daunting for startups, and this is why in the Martech Asia 2020 summit conducted by etbrandequity.com, industry stalwarts from different sectors became mentors to Hello AR, a startup, and critically analyzed its Martech plans and helped it make the right decision to kickstart its journey on the road to Martech. The session saw the experts helping with suggestions like use of digital marketing to scale up the business exponentially and plotting high-value, easy-to-acquire customers to get better insights. From Dream11 to Cred, while new age startups shell out the big bucks to take center stage at the 13th edition of IPL, the big brands are nowhere to be seen. Taking a dig at the disappearance of big brands from the key sponsors list of the tournament, this story brought out how IPL has managed to attract big bucks from newbies like Dream11 this season. Looking at the world of change happening in the business of brand names, etbrandequity.com conducted a survey of more than 100 respondents in relation to the merger of Vodafone Idea into Vi. The questions of the survey revolved around consideration of the previous identities of the brand and also whether the VI logo spoke about the integration clearly or not. Nearly 43.1% of people opined that the new look of the brand was average, and only 9.8% marked the look as top of the order.